Hello everyone, welcome back. In this session we will learn how to solve the practice problem pattern of strings. So first let us understand the question and then we would solve it. So basically in this question we would be given a string, let's say geeks, okay, and with each line in this pattern what would happen? First line is geeks, okay, second line it would be geek, next line it would be G, okay, because K is removed. Then it would be another E is removed, so only G and E. Then finally G, okay. So this is how my pattern should be printed. That means every time the last letter from the string is removed, okay. I hope the question is clear to you. Now let's move forward to the solution part. What you need to do is you need to go to the practice portal. In practice portal, in the difficulty section, choose school, okay. After that, find the problem pattern of strings. Okay, once you find the problem, you need to click on solve. Here is the question, let's read it. Given a string S of length n, find the pattern of the strings as shown below in the examples. Okay, this is the example. I hope the question is clear to you. Now we would code it over here. Okay, so let's code it. 1 minute. Okay, let's start. Basically, I is equal to the length of the entire string. Okay, the next is I am creating an empty list. Okay, after this I am checking while the value of I, that means the length is greater than equal to 1, that means only one character is not left. 1 minute. Till then what do I need to do? I need to answer dot append. Okay, what do I need to append? I need to append the ending value, right? The ending character minus, sorry, not minus, I. Okay, then enter. Then every time I need to decrease the value of I by 1, right? Then I just need to return with answer. So return answer. Okay, so now I have done the code, but I need to check if it is correct or not. So I would click on compile and run. Let's wait. The compilation is completed and my output is matching with the expected output. So now I would submit the given problem. Let's wait. Problem is solved successfully, and this is how you solve the practice problem pattern of strings. I hope this video was helpful for you and you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have enjoyed the video, make sure you click on the like button and subscribe our channel. And thank you for joining me today. Thank you.